Very early in the morning, guys. Welcome to African village. I woke up very early in the morning to have this. The birds are on the trees. This is Rosette Experience YouTube channel, and my name is Tiberius. I am preparing a kitchen garden. Actually, I woke up at 5 in the morning. So good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. I'm coming live and clear from East African village, and this is our home. So in this video I want to do a vlog of how we till the land in an African way using oxen plow, guys. So this is the portion of the land that we have tilled. This is the first round. The second round will come to arrow, so that we don't have this big soil. So this is now going to be our kitchen garden, because it's just next to the house behind our home. It's going to be a very big place. Yeah, guys, it's going to be our kitchen garden, where we'll have some kitchen garden crops. So let me know what you think. Have you ever seen this happening somewhere? How do you do it on your side? Do you use tractors or do you use cows? Yeah, here in Africa, most of the time, for small spaces like this, we use cows to till the land. So yeah, I'm really happy because I've started this journey of homesteading. It's not easy for the start, but here we are. Baby steps, one at a time, one by one. It's not easy. Sometimes you feel like giving up, closing up everything and going back to the city. But I trust the process, because, guys, I don't know when this video will be out, because I'm really having a problem of internet. I have so many vlogs in my computer which has not been uploaded. So my major challenge is the internet, the connection. I don't have that stable internet that after doing this video I just upload it. I have several contents in my SD card, but I haven't uploaded them. So when you watch this video, this is a baby step for me here in African village, because I thought of starting this. When you have relocated from the city coming to the village, you must have something to wake up in the morning, get you busy, because man was tasked to work. So when I wake up in the morning, come here, maybe do the little of weeding as I show you on the as I show you. So guys, this is how we do it in an African village. This is gonna be the last arrow. Then we're gonna proceed from that side. Let me just show you. But meanwhile, let me show you how we do it in an African way. Yeah, you see that's how we do it. Our kitchen garden is quite big. This is a very big place. This is just enough for onions, vegetables, you know, all those kind of crops. This is a very big place for just a kitchen garden. Yeah, and come along in this journey as we'll be doing this together. Yeah, if you like such videos, you can subscribe to the channel and ngamonge ka kilungo gini in English. Iyane. Ilungo nang English. Ongowang. Ongowang en gidulu. Gibageni okay no stretch. Then okay hornbill. Hornbill okay no. Okay. So guys, you see that bird over there? How do we call it in English? Like, I just know it in our local language. That bird over there. Very early in the morning, they always come here at our home. I don't know how we call it. I don't know. Are you able to? Yeah. There are always two. So this kitchen garden extends from, it's gonna extend up to here, like it's gonna be an L-shaped, an L-shaped, yeah, an L-shaped like this. And these are some of the things that I'll be putting on in that kitchen garden. Let me show you. Yeah, see this is a tomato, and this method of farming, how do you call it? So anyway guys, this is now gonna be our kitchen garden. And maybe if you can add a little bit of bananas. Yeah, these are oranges. Yeah, planted them sometimes back. So we want to make a place here where we can at least have our kitchen garden. The oranges are on the sides, the bananas, and here we have a little bit of vegetables, capsicum, carrots, you know, different types of vegetables. Yeah, so this is gonna be the place. So first step, it's done. This was the first step, and guys, it's not easy. Coming up with these ideas it's not easy, because it will require first resources, because if you don't have the cows, you'll have to hire these people so that they can come and help you till the land. So that's it, first baby step. So a week from now, 1 week from now, they'll be coming back to at least make the big arrows to be small. Yeah, the big arrows to be small. That's when we'll start planting or making the ridges. So first idea is we're gonna make a 2 meters, like 2 meters, how do you call it, a seed bed, like a heap, then another 2 meters, like a heap of that. So in different paddocks we'll be having different vegetables or different crops. So that's it. I'm really excited for this journey. I don't know how it's gonna be, but I'm keeping positive about it. I'm staying positive about it. So wish me luck as I start this journey of off-grid. So yeah, that's how we do harrowing in African way. That's how we do it. Like you have a group, team of 3 or 4. One is holding the oxen plow, like you can see. One is holding the oxen plow, and 2 are besides to guide the ox on the best direction when tilling the land. So normally you'll find that so many times you shout to the cows so that they can keep going. I think that's the way they feel motivated, like shout at them, have them push, like in our language you say you are, and then you do like you are, and then you praise them like the best name of the cow. Like if the cow is called certain name, mostly in Kenya the cows are named after politicians, like big politicians. So you praise them by the name, saying you are attack, like such kind of words. So they feel motivated and they keep on, because it's a huge work. It's a huge work. So I want to take a thumbnail for this YouTube channel. Yeah, I hope it's now gonna be the thumbnail. I hope the YouTube is listening. There you go, the thumbnail. We are almost done from 5 in the morning, and right now it's around 7. So it's an exercise that took quite some time. So should I sign out, because I don't want these vlogs to be quite long, but at least this is gonna be the process. We're gonna make a banana space here, another one here, another one here. So let me sign out as I say, Israel.